Hello guys, so before we can start to write and learn Java, we need to download a few things. So we go to Google, which is our best friend. We're right down IntelliJ, and we can see the first link here. We go to download, and you're gonna want to download the community version. It's a more limited version, but it's free and it can do everything we need. So you just download it. And then we go again to Google and we're searching for JDK. Again, the first link, and we're gonna download the latest version. So you download it, and then we have a few things we need to do after the download is completed. Otherwise, IntelliJ will have problem to recognize the JDK. So you have the installation instructions here if you don't remember when you're gonna actually do it. So we want to install JDK on Microsoft. Again, if you have another operating system, it will be different. So we're gonna go here, and you can see that we need to change some things inside the system. So you're gonna go to this path in your computer. So I'm going here. See, it depends where you installed it. So usually it's program files, Java, JDK, and then the bin folder. Then you click here on the address bar and you do Control-C. So we have the path copied. Then we go to the search function and we write control panel. We go to the control panel, then we go to system and security, and then to system. And here on the advanced tab, we enter the environmental variables. And here, when you see the system variables, we just do new. We can call it Java home. No, not Java. And here we just Control-V our path. We click OK, and then everything should work. So that's it. I think we're finished here. Yeah. Again, if you have some problems to do it on your computer or on your operating system, because maybe it will look a little different, you can just search Google and find whatever you want. How to install JDK for your operating system, it will have the instructions you need. So always remember, Google is your best friend, even in the code. Some things you're gonna learn, but some things you just don't need to remember. So you can search them out at Google. Okay, so the next video I will start talking about variables and operators in Java, which are the basic things you will need to know. And then we will go from there to more advanced stuff. So usually I will teach something new, and then we will do some exercises together, and this way we will learn it the best way. So of course you have the IntelliJ program. I have a project open, but when you can open it for the first time, it will look something like this. It will ask you for a new project, and the thing that we did before, here you need to have the 12 version or the current version, and if it doesn't appear here, you can go to new and you can find the JDK that you installed earlier, and then you just need to add it here. And then we go to next, and we will have the name for the project we want to create. All those things are gonna show you in the next videos. So if you haven't subscribed it yet, you can do it, and you will see the next lessons as soon as they come out. And okay, let's do this.